Good day everyone and welcome to the Weather Center. Last night we had a bit of rain falling around the Garden Route where we've been seeing raging fires for the past couple of days, and that should have been a big help with the firefighting efforts going on over these parts of South Africa. Now this Sunday it's going to stay mostly cloudy for much of the Western Cape with a chance of light rain in places, and the winds that have been fanning the fires around the Garden Route are set to die down this Sunday. We are expecting partly cloudy but dry conditions for much of the northern and eastern Cape and parts of the Free State, where cool afternoon temperatures are expected in most areas. It's going to be mostly sunny and warmer across the eastern provinces. Late tonight, we are going to see this cold front brushing along the southwest coastline, maintaining wet weather over these parts of South Africa. Now we are expecting between a 20 and 40% chance of rainfall for the rest of your Sunday over the western and southern parts of the Western Cape. Afternoon temperatures are going to look more like this. Mahikeng and Pretoria will peak at around 22 degrees, just a degree cooler in Polokwane. Palabora should hit the 30-degree mark. A mild 18 is forecast for the high in Emelo. It's going to be cool to mild across the Free State as well as much of the Eastern Cape, but rather warm for the eastern areas, where Mthatha should peak at around 24 degrees. A warm day is also forecast for much of KwaZulu-Natal. Moderate to fresh southwesterlies are forecast this Sunday along much of the east coast. The winds are going to be rather strong for the Eastern Cape coastal areas, where Port Elizabeth will peak at just around 18 degrees. Warmer as we go further north. Port St. John's and Durban will warm to around 24 degrees. We are expecting a cool to mild day as well for the southern parts of South Africa. Oudtshoorn peaking at around 20 degrees, 18 for Robertson, and a high of 16 is forecast for Worcester. We are also going to see a cool to mild day for the south and the southwest coastline. Light winds between Muscle Bay and Plettenberg Bay, but a fresh southwesterly is forecast for Jeffreys Bay. The winds are also going to be rather strong along the southwest coastline. Fairly big swell heights off the south coast, averaging around 2.5 meters, with the swell coming from a southwesterly direction. It's going to be rather chilly this afternoon for the southwestern areas of the Northern Cape, mild for the northeastern sections, where highs in the upper teens are expected. Fresh northwesterlies are forecast between Langaban and Cape Town, where highs are expected to peak at around 15 degrees. Big swell heights off the west coast at 3.5 meters, with the swell coming from a west to southwesterly direction. On Monday, rainy weather is forecast for Cape Town. It's going to be partly cloudy and dry for the rest of South Africa.